Alright, today I'm going to use this little crawfish from Rebel. See if you can catch me any fish. Alright, I'm actually wading in this little creek. There's a big pool over here. Cast up it and bring it down. Pool's right there, if you can see. It's just balancing on that rock. Stand on this rock too so I can see more. Got one. Oh yeah. What is this? A little sunfish, pumpkin seed. Pretty good. Look how small he is, but beautiful fish. Well, little dude. Alright, there we go. First fish of the day. I think it's a pumpkin seed. I don't know if I'm wrong. Let me know. Beautiful fish. Oh, there's one. He hit that as soon as it hit the water too. That was a good one. Smallie too, good one. Get up here, bub. Yeah. I mean, it's not a gigantic one, but still a great one. Barely hooked too. Alright, first smallmouth of the day. Decent one. Alright, so that one I actually threw on the edge of it, and as soon as it hit the water, it literally jumped out like a top water and smacked it. So they are in here. You just have to find the right spot. So I've probably been here for like what, an hour, maybe a little bit more. And that was my first smallmouth. Alright, let's see if we can get any more. So next time I come here, get a top water lure, because that's what they hit it on, was on the top. Another one. Another smallmouth. Yep. No, I can't tell. It's fighting like one. Yep, another one. This one got hooked dude. Second one of the day. Right there, it's a little baby one. I'm gonna go back to this spot over here. I don't see anything over here.